Is this close enough? Hello there, maggots. A bonus Slipknot video today. I have purchased my second Slipknot album. It's time for another unboxing. And Corey will be happy to know that I've bought a few CDs lately and none of them have had the sticker on the top. So I'm sure Corey is just feeling pretty good about that. But I'm still going to play the rant anyway while I open the plastic because it's too good not to include. So enjoy Corey while I open this.
I'm very, very, very tired of the stickers that you people put on the CDs. Nothing worse than getting a brand new CD, getting all through that. First of all, the plastic is just infuriating and confounding, and you're ripping, and you get a corner. You think you got a corner, and it just flakes off like it looks like Florida. That little flake looks like Florida. You tear it up, and you finally get that, and then all of a sudden you've got this seal that with this weird metallic, and you're chewing it, and then you think, oh, you know what? I'll just open it up. I'll just open it up. No, you know what happens? You break the CD case, the jewel case falls apart, the little dually thing in the middle that looks like a 45 holder snaps, and now all of a sudden your CD just swings like this the entire time that you own that CD.
You've been warned. Let me know in the comments if you purchased this actual CD. Who's actually buying CDs other than me? There we go. This bothers me. Like, when I open this CD, I want this to be... We're just gonna do this. So let's just do a redo. Like, oh, look! Am I the only one like that? I'd like to say no. Alright, so who is this person? Is that this person? What's going on? What is that about? And then there was something under here I noticed real quick. What is that? Oh wait, is that a goat? How come I could see horns in my camera but not in person? Does that make any sense? Like these right here? Like what? All right, let's check out the little booklet in here. So we got this chick here. I'm sure there's a story behind this. I just don't know what it is. So we got Jay here. Lyrics. Oh God. Let's focus on V-Man. There we go. For Birth of the Cruel. And then you go over a little bit and the man himself. And I love that they put his picture with this. I'm like, what am I looking at? I don't understand. Nero Forte. Is she bloody or what is going on? Does she have bloody fingers? Critical Darling on this side. I know you can read, but I'm just... there's Corey. That's quite a picture. Quite a picture. But here you go. You can see his eyes. They're like staring into your soul. Let's see how close we can get. Look at that. Look at that. You can like see the grooves on these nails, screws. The screw grooves. It's the screw grooves. Is this close enough? For Liar's Funeral, and of course, Funeral, because Pinhead will kill you. He's looking so cool. Look at him. This was the picture that I flipped out about. I made a video about how cool he looked, and I'm pretty sure it was the same picture. Look at that. He looks so cool. Lately, I've just been noticing his coolness more than before. He's been cool since birth, I'm pretty sure. What's next? Apparently, Tortilla Man is next. Actually, what's next is this chick again. Just hanging out with her scarf thing. There we go. We got spiders on this side. And we got Orphan on this side. That is a lot of lyrics. Sheesh. Alright, so there's Sid with My Pain. We can get really up close and personal here. And then clown guy over here. And then the chick is back looking very frightened. I think she just saw Mick Thompson. That's so mean. I'm sorry. And she's not long for this world because she just saw... All right, I'm not going to... Let's not say that. There we go. Saw away first. And then the last page, we have some acknowledgments here at the end. And a picture of... I don't know what. Oh. Is it that chick again? She's back. I'm assuming that's the same chick. Maybe she took off her veil thing. That's what she looks like now. It's like she's been struggling to get this thing off, this whole booklet, and then by the end she finally did, and she's like, oh, thank God, I was being suffocated. So this picture, she's like almost running out of air, and she's like, this is it. This is how I go down. But then she frees herself, and she's feeling good. That's the story of this the veiled woman. We Are Not Your Kind unboxing. A bonus video for the maggots this week. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I would like to know your favorite track from We Are Not Your Kind. Let me know in the comments how you feel about this album. That's trippy. And your favorite song from this album. Thanks so much for watching, maggots. Thanks for being so awesome. Enjoy your week, and I'll see you for the next one. Hello there, maggots. A bonus Slipknot video today. Forgot what I was saying. I really should have done my nails. This is the second CD unboxing where I have nails that look like I've been digging. Is it a goat? Or is it someone with horns? Is it like Sid with horns on? Here is Tortilla Man, Tortilla Guy, Tortilla Man. My pain, and it's Sid. Oh gosh. So let me know in the comments how you feel about...
Get off me, Craig!